This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to rotate an image in Google Docs. So right here in Google Docs in an untitled document, just have some placeholder text here that I found online to do this video with. And we have this image here. So if we want to rotate this image, very simple. We first click the image, so just click the center of the image. Now, as you scroll up to the top, as you point at the top, even you have this circle here. You can see this on screen. I'm just going to hold there the circle and just holding my mouse, and now we can start to rotate this image any direction that we want. So if I wanted it slightly rotated like that, you can see it rotates. I'm just going to click undo there just to take us back to the bottom, back to the start even. So any direction you want, you can make these finesse moves there. Let's just undo. Another way to do this, with the image highlighted, you will click the three dots here for image options. Now we can do adjustments and we can do size and rotation here. So if we click size and rotation, this opens up another panel here for the image options. We have size and rotation, so we can do the size here. You can scale it by width and height. You can change the size by width and height as well. You can choose to lock the aspect ratio or not with that checkbox there. And then very simple, the rotation, we can choose to rotate 90 degrees like this. If you just want to have a straight 90 degrees, whichever way you want, you can see the image changing here as I click. And then we can also finesse it if we wanted. So we wanted 15 degrees, we can get 15 degrees there. And we can click this little guy here to adjust and kind of get this granular detail right here. And that will adjust on the page as you click it. So if you wanted to have 90 degrees like that, and then you've obviously got this ability to do 90-degree increments as well. Hopefully you have found this video on how to rotate an image on Google Docs useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.